guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Guys, Snowflake stock has squeezed up 32% in a single day, which is one of the largest daily moves from this stock. So we're going to be talking about what on earth is going on with this company, and is this the new best tech stock to buy? So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want to learn more about trading in the market, check out our school. We have our Black Friday sale going on for 51% off. So check it out. Private live streams, quizzes, lectures. We talk about how to find undervalued stock, and code Black Friday for 51% off. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this. So what on earth is going on with Snowflake stock? So first we need to understand, what is Snowflake? So Snowflake, it falls from the sky all the way down, and if you clump them together, you build a snowman. No, it's not that type of snowflake. This is a tech company, one of the largest tech companies. And why a lot of people love this is because this company specializes in big data analytics, which is huge for tech, AI, and honestly is rated one of the best growing sectors for the next decade, which is always good. But one of the main issues that Snowflake has had is just missed quarters after missed quarters after missed quarters. So looking at this thing, you guys can kind of see what I mean. Like this was once one of the most hyped up IPOs back in the day, where literally this thing went from about $200 up to about $420 within the first 1, 2, 3, 4 months of the IPO, and then it pretty much just kind of slowly started selling its way off, and it pretty much found some levels, near and around that 120 to like that $200 range, where it really didn't do much. It just kind of wiggled around there. And then today, this stock, look at this. Look how fast this stock has squeezed up. This stock went from $128 all the way up to $174, which for a company of this size is millions, billions of dollars of market cap, and investors flocking to the stock because of their earnings. And that's exactly what happened. Is every single quarter the company comes out and they release something called an earnings report. This is when they say, hey, this is how much money we brought in, this is how much money we lost, and they give investors insight on the business. And they say products that are selling, maybe some new customers and big companies that they've signed as partners. And honestly, investors love it, because if they beat expectations, the stock will squeeze up like today. But if they miss expectations, you can expect huge sell-off. A stock that actually just released earnings and got absolutely obliterated was Target. Target just released earnings, and look at this, right? Huge sell-off. And so today, Snowflake had the complete opposite, where it got huge buying pressure. And this is because of they beat some huge estimates. So the Q3 beat were a huge step in the right direction, as the company exceeded market expectations, mainly due to better than expected product revenue. Analysts, including Dave Ivey, said the company's total revenue of $942.1 million, driven by product revenue of $900.3 million, was higher than the street's estimate of $899.3 million, due to a strong demand for Apache Iceberg and generative AI integrations. The company raised its product revenue guidance for the fiscal Q4, expecting $906 million to $911 million, above the street's estimate of $888.6 million. The analyst said, adding that while new products will not significantly impact Q4 revenues, they are expected to contribute more to 2026. So this is huge. We continue to see the optimization phase that has ended. We continue to see improvements in quarter-over-quarter dollars for product revenue heading into important FY26 in an extremely competitive environment. So that's why we're getting buying pressure, right? It's easier said than done. This thing beat expectations. Investors are happy. Investors are investing into this company for future expectations for next year and 2026. So I think that right now we could see a little bit of some consolidation, maybe a little bit of some sell-off, and the reason why I say a little sell-off is because often any action in the market is an overreaction. So 32% maybe is a little much, right? It might be a little much. Investors that were holding, in that 120 range may want to take some profit. So we could expect a little dip down, maybe a little consolidation, but then that's where you act, right? Then you could start investing into this. I really think Snowflake for me is a high growth, high risk investment. I hate to say it, but I did buy the IPO back in the day, and I did sell it for a little loss. Now, normally I don't trade IPOs, and this is one of the main reasons why. I was young, so don't get mad at me. But, IPOs, very risky to begin with, but now this company's showing some sign of life, and I think that's important. But, it's a high growth, high risk investment. It's not like investing into Coca-Cola or Apple or Google, all these well-established companies with billions of dollars in cash and, pretty much the leaders of their sector. This is still a smaller company in that realm of the AI and tech space. So they're really fighting for market share. So we'll see what happens though. If you're looking to invest, dollar cost average would be my recommendation. Keep this thing under, 3%, 2% of your portfolio. That's what I would do. But overall for me, I probably won't invest into it. If I would, it probably would be near and around the 130 to 120 range for me to hop in on it with a small investment. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, check out our school. And I always get people asked, they say, what is the broker I'm using for all of my news and stuff? I use MOOMOO. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get 20 free stock for signing up. So click that link. I'll see you guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.